Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, May 16th. This is David Starr, and we will take a look this evening here at gold. Now, I have been watching this area down around 1815 in the gold futures. And the reason is that we've got a number of levels all coming together here. We have the 78.6% retracement of this move up from the December 15th low, coming in here at 1822 and 70 cents, right? And having gotten through the 68.18% retrace, if we're gonna turn back up without taking out these lows and do so from a Fibonacci proportion, well, this would have been the level to watch. Of course, if we measure this leg down from this year's high, and then this subsequent leg down from the lower high down here at this upper voodoo skyline, right? Noticing that this this market is respecting its voodoo lines here with a major swing made at this tree line, right? Then those would have been equal right down here, slightly lower than that 78.6 retracement, but not much. And then there is this lower voodoo tree line that was also clustered tightly with these other two down here at 18.50 cents. So as we were pulling back through here, this was my target area to look for potentially getting involved in gold to the upside. Now, we did break through that level last week on Friday with continuation to the downside today that tried to reverse. So, look, I think this is something where we want some indication of buying before we try and get in, because it did blow through those levels. Minimally getting back above Friday's high, I think, although we made a good effort in that regards today. Maybe if you want to be a little more conservative, try and look for something that gets above Thursday's high. But either way, I think a turn up from here with taking out those levels would be a reason to look upwards with a stop back below today's low. So that's what I'll be looking at. My initial target would be taking out this year's high, which isn't too far off the all-time high, and then beyond that. Now, obviously, we would need to see how this move progressed in order to see if that idea stayed on track. But until we saw more information, that would be initially what I would be looking for. So that's what I've got for you here this evening. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me